Welcome to the Daily Linux Command channel and my presentation on JournalCTL, the syslog replacement that you didn't ask for. A little background on systemd. Systemd was a Red Hat initiative to replace the init system for governance of daemons and services. JournalCTL is actually an outgrowth of that effort. As JournalCTL is the preferred manager for services in modern Linux distributions, you will find JournalCTL on all of these systems. You will like the red color coding for alert levels 0 and 1, and the output is sent to less for a familiar text handling experience. You'll find the JournalCTL and systemd journal fields man pages very useful in your quest to learn this logging system. Here are a couple ways that you can gain mastery of JournalCTL. If you want to display the logs for a particular binary, append the absolute path to the executable to the JournalCTL call. -l can be used in a similar fashion as tail -l. -r displays the log entries from newest to oldest. -k will display kernel messages, and the plus symbol can join two queries together. The -o parameter controls the formatting of the output. For example, -o short formats to the classic syslog format. -o verbose shows all the fields, and you can even format to export to JSON. Thank you for watching today's video. As always, please subscribe, hit the alert bell, and share this channel with your friends. I will see you again soon with another command.